Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to demonstrate a fun project to you. I think you all are quite acquainted with the Coffin dance meme and the song Astronomia. So today in our project we will try to simulate that song using the Arduino. We will simulate the Astronomia song using the Arduino. But there is a twist. We will not do it directly using the board. We will do it through the simulation software Proteus. So let's start. So at first you need to pick up the devices. For it you have to use only Arduino Uno, a 220 ohm resistance and a buzzer. So let's start with the pick button. So go here and pick the devices for it, and here go to the Arduino. Now you can use any Arduino board. I prefer to use Arduino Uno. So let's select that. So now you can see Arduino Uno is popped in our screen. So we have placed the Arduino Uno. Next we need to pick up the speaker. So go to P and now type speaker. So you can see there are a lot of speakers here, but remember one thing: if you want to listen the output through your ear, please select this option, that is outputs via sound card, because here you can hear the sound through your ear. So we have selected this one, piezo sounder model outputs via sound card. Now select OK and place it here. Now we will need another component, and that is 220 ohm resistance. Go to P. Now there will be various categories. You can select here, go here, go, yes, there is a register, select that, and in the search box you type 220. So here 220, and if you go register, then you can see that there is a 3 watt 220 ohm resistance. So select that, place it before the buzzer. So now we need to make the connections. So as per our code we have used the speaker at the 8th pin. You can use that anywhere. So let's connect that. So connect the resistance with the 8th pin of the Arduino, that is the 8 digital pin, and connect the other end of the register to the speaker. So now we'll need to import a ground connection to complete the connection. So go here in the terminals mode, select the ground, place it here, and now make the connections. So that's all, and now we are ready to go with this simulation, but we need to at first go with the code. So go to the Arduino IDE. So this is the code of this our program and of our simulation, and I will provide the link of this code in our video description. Please go through that, and it is written in a completely fine manner. So if you can't understand anything, please do ping me. So now we need to at first for that we need to export the compiled binary, because we need the .hex file to operate. So select the export compiled binary. It will take little time to compile. Okay, so it has done compiling. Now we need to know the location of this .hex file. So for that, go to the sketch and now select source sketch folder. If you select that, you will see this location. Please note this location, because from here you have to select the code into your Arduino board in your simulation software. So let's minimize that and go to the Proteus. So go here, and now in the Proteus Arduino board, please double click on the Arduino board, and then the menu will be popped up, and now you will see option called program file. So go here, and there will be beside that there will be icon of a video, there will be icon of a file. Click on that, it will open the file browser. So now you have to select that as and now if I go to the Coffin dance folder, then you can see that this .hex file is there. We need to export that to our Arduino module of this Proteus software. So select that and click open, and now here click OK. So that's all, and now we are completely fine to go with our simulation project. So let's start, let's simulate. can see that that work completely fine. Just beside note that there will be some noises because you are running it into a simulator, so there will be some problems. There will be a little bit of noises, and to clear up those you can fine tune again your project, and that is your speaker. Click on that and there you will find these parameters. And now what I have found, that if you set this playback buffer time at 1 second and playback sample rate at 22050, it works better than the default rate. So let's go with that again. So now we have changed the parameter. Now let's simulate again. So you can see that that works completely fine also. So yes, so it has worked fine. So now just remember one thing, as I am again saying it, as we are using simulator, there will be some problems regarding the noises and this. But if you use this program in a real life Arduino Uno board, then you will find no problem. The code will work completely fine. There will be zero noise. So that was our video, and please do let me know about what you have liked, and if there is any confusion, please do not hesitate to ping me or comment down. So thank you. That was our project. Thank you again.